What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another car. It's January 15th and my Christmas tree is still up. I haven't removed it, but yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, it's a truck. Yeah, I just woke up, so I'm gonna start getting ready. You know, brush my teeth, change the clothes, and let's go check out this new truck that we got.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the all-new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 Hybrid. This is a luxury SUV, and as of right now, this is the most expensive car I've ever reviewed on my channel. I'm going to show you the exterior, interior, and show you everything about this car and why this car is worth almost $100,000. This is a very beautiful SUV, and for 100 grand, it better be. You got this very nice Mercedes-Benz grille. You can tell from very far away this is a Mercedes-Benz. You have the emblem, and on the top, you have the multi-beam LED headlights, and it also says it right there. You have 21-inch wheels front and back, 275, 45, 21. You get 315s, 40, 21 in the back. You have your turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You also have a camera right over here. Keyless entry, of course. You get 3 big windows for the drivers, the rear passengers, and the third row. Got these very nice windows so they can get a nice view out of that third row. Moving on to the back, you have your LED taillights that says Mercedes-Benz right over here. You also have the GLS 450. You have again the Mercedes-Benz emblem and your windshield, your rear view wipers. It also says 4MATIC right over here. Coming on down, you have 2 dual exhausts, but these are fake exhausts. The actual exhaust is right there. Moving on around the car, you have your gas tank on the passenger side. And just getting a nice profile side of the car, you can tell this is a very big SUV. You have the rails right here on the roof. It's a very, very beautiful SUV from Mercedes-Benz. I think Mercedes-Benz did a great job with this car. Now that I show you guys the exterior of the car, let's take a look at the interior. Opening the door, you have your door panel. You have a cup holder and some storage space right over here. You also have the button to open the trunk. You have billet window switches, billet door handle. You have your lock and unlock button. This happened to be plastic, but you have memory seats and the seat controls. You also have heated and cooled seats and a nice Burmester premium sound system. 13 speakers throughout the cabin, plus 2 subwoofers. Going into the car, you have a door seal that says Mercedes-Benz. You have very nice premium perforated leather seats. And going into the car, you get this very nice view of the interior. Premium materials everywhere. I'm telling you guys, sitting inside this car feels amazing. Everything feels premium, and you feel like a rich person driving this car. Let's go ahead and start it up. We're gonna put the foot on the brake. You have your power button right here to start the engine. And she comes alive. Let's go ahead and close the door. As I mentioned earlier, you have your seat control, so I'm gonna move my seat back a little bit. Premium leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your cruise control and proximity sensors right over here. On the right of that, you have your media controls. You have 2 paddle shifters right behind the steering wheel. Over here, you have your gear selector, and on the left side, you have your windshield wiper controls. Right over here to the left of the steering wheel, you have your light switches for the cabin and the car. You also have your parking brake, and as you can see, you have ambient lighting throughout the cabin as well, and it looks amazing at night. 12.3-inch cluster, 12.3-inch infotainment system, made it to a 13-speaker Burmester premium sound system plus 2 subwoofers. That sounds amazing. Over here you have your driver's air vents. You have 4 more air vents right over here. These are not air vents, just for looks. You have another air vent right over here. Everything in this car can be controlled through the screen, but if you look down here, you have some manual AC controls. You have this door that opens and closes, and you get wireless charging, 2 USB Type-C ports, and also a 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders. You have some media controls over here for the screen. This is a touchpad, and you can go through all your menus and whatnot. This is just to rest your arm. This button right here is to lower and raise the height of the vehicle. Yes, you can do that in this car. You have maps, navigation, camera controls, and vehicle control switches right over here. So you can do multiple functions, as you can see. And if you go right over here, you tap this button and it opens up, and you got some more storage space and a USB Type-C right there. Nice leather seats for your passenger as well. You also have a storage over here with your Mercedes-Benz manual. Now let's go to the back and see what Mercedes has to offer for the rear passengers of this car. In the back, you get 3 seats. You got a storage pocket behind the driver's seat, another storage pocket behind the passenger seat, AC vents, AC controls that look very nice and premium, and 2 USB Type-C ports. You get an armrest right over here. No cup holders, unfortunately. It says Mercedes right over here in the door sill. Very nice. Door handles. And if I didn't mention, this all glass roof, which I should open momentarily. If you want to get into the third row, all you have to do is press and hold that button. The windows goes forward. That way you have access to the third row. Yes, it takes a little bit, but yeah, let's take a look. Very nice and comfortable to get to. But the third row also gets 2 USB Type-C, a cup holder, and a nice window to look out. You also get a light right over here. It is very nice and comfortable in the back seat. As you can see, I have plenty of space for my feet, and yeah, feels very nice and comfortable. Now let's go ahead and head out. And then to put the seats back, you just press and hold the button. And that's it. The rear passengers also get this very nice door panel with cup holders and nice materials throughout. Billet window switches and door handle. Very nice. To open the trunk, you have this latch right over here that you can just press. The hatch opens and you got very nice storage space. But you also have these physical buttons on each side to control the rear passenger and the third row seats. You also have a button for all, and if you press that button, both the rear passengers and the third row seats go down for extra storage space. That is pretty cool. And as you can see, you have a lot more storage space now. You can also remove this bar, and now you have a clear view of the rear cabin of this car. Plenty of storage space for cargo. This mat right here, you can put it over there and then have a whole cargo net to cover whatever it is that you're carrying in the back. All right, seats are coming back up, and you have a light over here also. Also have the footwell feature where you can just, put your feet in the hatch open and closes. And then to close, just tap the button right here. And the hatch closes. Now let's take a look under the hood. To open the hood, you have this red latch right over here. You just pull it down. Under the hood, you get a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, making 375 horsepower and 369 foot-pound of torque. This car is also all-wheel drive, and the engine is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Up here, you also have some light switches, and you also have the controls to open the sunroof. To open the glass roof, all you have to do is push that button. There you go, it opens up all the way to the third row. You also have sunroof that opens up. Very nice. You push it one more time, I think it goes back further. No, it does not. But that's a pretty cool feature. I really like the glass roof on this Mercedes-Benz. This is a very nice SUV, and I've really enjoyed driving it for the past week or so. I really love this Mercedes-Benz. I think Mercedes-Benz did a great job designing this car. Did I mention this is also a hybrid? Yes, it does have a batteries that, you know, to help you with the fuel economy and whatnot. If you buy this car brand new, you get a basic warranty of 4 years, 50,000 miles. If you're wondering about the fuel economy in this car, she will do 18 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Oh, it's 20 combined. This car also comes with all modern safety features: lane keeping assist, traction control, airbags, you name it. You know, being the latest model GLS from Mercedes-Benz, it has everything a vehicle has to offer. And now that I show you guys the exterior and interior of this car, we're gonna take it for a little drive. So we're gonna put the foot on the brake, put it in drive, and let's go. Car feels very nice and premium, very quiet, rides very, very smooth. And I just really enjoy driving this SUV. It really does feel amazing. You have your navigation. You have the, you know, if you want to connect your phone, you have your radio, your media controls, you have some apps, comfort setting, off-road settings. You have some vehicle info, some more settings, and smartphone connectivity settings. Let's just stop the car here for a second so I can show you a little bit more about the infotainment system. So that's your MPH, consumptions, vehicle settings, engine power and torque. If we go back, let's see what else. You have some off-road options over here. You have the cameras. Not sure what this does, but yeah, very nice touchscreen. I think it's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and drive it some more. I really like the way it drives. 375 horsepower. It's not much, but the car picks up very well. Let's just floor it. Barely any noise. Very nice and comfortable SUV. Right now I'm in the back roads of the Florida Everglades. This road is it's a little bumpy, but I mean, the car still drives, you know, very, very good. And I have to say, that glass roof, it's amazing, guys. Very nice views. While driving the Mercedes, you also have this dynamic button, and that's your driving modes. And you have individual, sport, comfort, eco, or off-road. So right now we're gonna put it in sport, and we're gonna throw it one more time. Whoa, she picked up really nice. Oh yeah. Now, so let's switch to off-road. When you put it in off-road, you get a maximum speed of 68 miles per hour. Right now we're on gravel road, so yeah, we're just gonna drive for a little bit and see how well she does on the gravel. Low tire pressure warning on, of course. In the middle of the Everglades. Well, that is it, guys. That's everything on the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 hybrid. And yeah, make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like, comment on the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.